Hi there, in this video I will show you two ways to fix why your Bluetooth is not connecting to your phone and Bluetooth not finding devices using Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Find out reset options or type reset option on the search bar. Tap on reset network settings. Open the reset network settings. Tap reset settings. Now check out your Bluetooth is working or not. Method number 2. Go to settings. Find out apps and notifications or applications. In my phone it is applications and permissions, but in your device it may be different. So find out on your own. Tap on App Manager or Application Manager. Tap on 3 dots and select Show System Apps. Scroll down and find out Bluetooth. Tap on it. Tap on Power Stop, then tap OK. Tap on Internal Storage. Clear the cache and clear the data. Move back and tap on Permissions. Make sure you are allowing all the permissions here. Now move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, I hope your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching.